Uwena kidakha jangka State Coordination Coal Miners Dealers and Transport Association Forum uba Reginald Shilla kabadai kawena ka kanhun kabawat ikilat kilanti ban pentre kamya ka scientific coal mining hapo ka State Meghalaya ha kalai phau tarik unaitung ha kajing ya kandu bat kilat pathai kubor ula ang ba kajing penmi hukum jangka sarkar ban I license kibriyo kibakwa ban apply na benta banti doyong kidai bandan shispa hektar ka jaka bat kam de banduna tangshi in shiru kani ka jingle ka sarkar kalawan rajing e ki ba ki bakwa banti doyong ulaong nakaliang ka forum hadian bakilayo iya kate ka hukum kilade pantho shu chief minister ka jalla ushri Conrad Sangma banweng no e kate ka jing penbana badru ban penbek thamay ka SOP ka ba ka sarkar kalade ban penbana ha ka bayade bad ka jingti doyong da ka ba phaliu jing mutlang bad ki riu start an
alor ka SOP ka standard operating procedure babumi da sarkar ndi hamstem arajan akoi abnai palai samtarik te hanne ka SOP ka sarkar kala prescribe apo ka pitch apply aba ang ba an area for applying prospecting license or mining lease should not be less than 100 hectares. 100 hectares ka letting convert into acres kada more than 240 acres plus kada ka area ka bahaya but keeping in mind that it is not possible to do coal mining in the state of Meghalaya within an area of more than 100 hectares. Tegatagan ko gajing besar jumi, bat kapaa kadai gajing besar jumi ba di ba ka forum kala simi ka sinja ban ya lenti cakmat bat nila challenge ya gane ka SOP ro ka orang ba ko juga cela Meghalaya. Te kai hi ka main purpose jang ka forum ban besar ba kadai ba lembaga research ro forum apa ka jingalam chairman baramba jumi usun kriam di ka ngadon ki ain ko ni da research mak forum katong ka ain juga sarkar peden ka sarkar din dia apa ka MM ya recognize part sampai apa ka MM ya recognize part sampai chapter 4 Section 22D. And minimum area for mining lease should be for an area not more than should be for an area not less than 4 hectares. Dan ni apa kasabatas ngila ban take out yang kita gi ban apply prospecting license ngila ban try ka mining. The kumu beyond which law which provision the state government set and prescribing the minimum area of 100 hectares. Tegane ke way ba kalong bag sarkar ka kwa ban len jubor ya ka kamay ka ji jungpet ba ka sarkar ka kwa ban kini jubor ba ban jungpet ba daga ba anak tan yaki ka ni ngatu ba don jaga ba pa dia kena yang uli tang ka forum ba tega pe ni isu la da pikmau ka au kan real tarik nombor arajar arkoar kita na salat na channel juga salat Asalak kami kawai ka press release bala ada is somebody kiseng kawai lang kumada ka HYC but connect bala thought sai pado weu na nangelam seng balang barang ba zumi uba Robin Jud Kajarin uba nang sudah mele election MP contest election MP aga national parliamentary council naga party unity aga semangat besar akan ula ong sai ba ulu ong ba kane ka spa actors kadai ba sarkar Meghalaya ka puni ya kane ka SB kadai tang ban favor ya ki high level tangi ka kane ka kamu pre kadai ka jing jong kadai ka jing jong president barang ba jaga HYC bat pula prescribe hamlir bagam tan setia ka an babila ban babila ban bu sarkar gelap mampu ya kata cakap baca spa anda setia katakan kung kaan juga MM ni akan kena espasan panyo kadai it should not be less than 4 hectares kadai tengah tahu ini challenge ke spa hectares ini challenge sebab honorable high court juga jalan Meghalaya ya spa hectares kai kadal nong ini bang challenge ini nomor bon ki pai pa ki bakwa contribute ki beran pa ngan saya bi ke besuk pa ngan anang bani akali ngan ngan license ka ang gamsa ngan bani akali ngan ada 40 yang Ndai ngam dong jaga best practice ngam dong license. Ka an ganun sa ngap menteri itu. Te ganin ni snow kia ya ba ni ru wa menteri itu. Dan ta ka daw file na kai kot. Kami ila justice, bagi justice, bagi kot kan besar ni, bagi kot kan ai, dekarai, kami cinta yang baik baik pun malam paro. Dan bagi justice, banduna mereka best practice, bandung nama ka ai, ka klem ong ba pihak bandung yang jaga kapasitas practice banyak menteri mani. Apa kata rakan? Saya sebut forest clearance job. Environmental clearance. Mansu, betul mansu punya. Every fresh grant of mining lease in respect of major minerals. Abang yung major mineral that means even coal. Coal is also a major minerals. With a mining lease area exceeding 5.0 hectares. 5.0 hectares that means 5 hectares. Of land and their extensions and modulations has to obtain site clearance and environmental clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest MOEF, Government of India, also for prospecting and exploration of major minerals in areas above 500 hectares have to get the site clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Hanya kalau katung ka anjing environmental clearance, some hectares seneng mila yo eka clearance namta scientific coal mining. Some hectares seneng mila yo eka clearance. Ka authority kala ban I clearance yapi some hectares seneng. So that is why we challenge in the High Court. Namar ba ka ang yaklam ong ini ba no you have to have 100 hectares of land to do coal mining. Ka ang yaklam ong ka ang 5 hectares na ini pay ka environmental clearance. Some hectares seneng mila ban continue ka mining. Nani laga MMDR 93,000 4 hectares above begin the scientific mining. So the law does not say that no, you have to have 100 hectares to do mining. The laws allow you within 100 hectares also. That is our main purpose that for which we are challenging the before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya. And we are seeking for geologists and the engineer to mining kilatan, but the expert, the CMBDI, kini the CMBDI kini the own mining plan authority. Kini kini ba ladang isna yeng ta, didon kam engineer, didon kam architect, didon kam contractor. Tenamta bantu try kami ke own mining operations. Didon kam expert, advisor lagi CMBDI. Kini ki authority ki bapenne yagi own mining. Para oega state authority India bai.